Ready to unleash your creativity. In this step-by-step Canva short design tutorial, you'll learn how to transform your ideas into stunning wearable art. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, discover insider tips and tricks that will elevate your designs and make your shirts stand out. Let's dive in and turn your vision into reality. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a t-shirt designs with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals to create a wide range of visual content, including t-shirt designs. It offers an extensive library of templates, images, fonts, and design tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers to bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. So let's get started. So as you can see, so you have just to right now to discover and visit for free. As you can see, we have 4 packages. The first one is absolutely for free. Design anything can bring your ideas to life, no cost, just creativity. Then we have the pro one, unlock premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI features. Then we have here teams. Here we have to transform teamwork, grow your brand, and simplify workflows. Then we have enterprise, empower your organization with an all-in-one workplace solution. All right. For example, if you want more information about one package, just to select the one you want. For example, I will select the free one because this one that we will discover in the whole of this video. So we have a design made easy and free. Create amazing visual content with no design experience. Start by yourself or invite others to collaborate. I will show you how you can do that. So we have just to scroll down. We have here create, collaborate, publish, and print. All right. As you can see, we have here some information about this package. You have just to get started. It's absolutely for free. So all I have to do right now is just click over sign up in the top right. I don't have it here in my homepage because I already have an account, and this is my account. I will just click over home and you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So here we have the home page. So to get started, all I have to do is just click over search and you select here the thing that you want. Also in the left, we have your project, templates, brand, application, dream lab as well. All right. Then you have just to click over here and you search for t-shirts, as you can see. So we will find here other page, which is this one. Here we have various Canva templates. You can just select the one you think it's more better and more comfortable for you. So let's just click over say all to see all these templates and select the one I think it's more better for me. All right. So here we have the t-shirts and the Canva templates. So you can just select when you think it's more better for you. So right now I will just select here the category that I want firstly. For example, it's depending to the business. If it's business, we have various things in the business also. Then we have also social media, the same. You have just to select it. Then we have education, video, marketing, print, products, cards and invitations. Then we have style. For example, I will select here modern. Then we have the theme, if it's black, pink, clothing, typography, fashion code. Then we have also here the language. Then we have here feature, subject as well, topic, the price. I will select, for example, here the free one. Then you select also the color. I will select the black one because I like it. Then I will click over apply and I will find the category that I select. So as you can see here we have it. For example, let's just select in this one and you will find here customize this template. You click over it, then you'll find other page, which is this one. As you can see here we have my template, as you can see. So to get started, you have just to delete. If you don't like this one, you have just to delete this one and modify it, and you put your title and your image, your brand. If you want logos, we have here and logos and other things. I will show you how we can do that. Also, for example, we have here if you want to show, as you can see, and also we have here other view. For example, if you want a thumbnail view, if you want a grid view, if you want to also present full screen, and we have here as Canva. Also in the left you'll find here the design. For example, you can just select add-on template if you don't like this one, and you have just to scroll down and you'll find the results here, as you can see, right? Also we have here the option of elements. For example, I will just select some logos. For example, I don't know, for example dragon, as you can see, and you will click over graphics and you find a dragon and you just select the one you think it's more better. For example, if you want this one, you have to pay because it's pro. So let's just select him, for example this one, and you select also the color that you want. For example, I will select here, if you want like that, then I will delete this one as well, and I'll put it more large, as you can see. And also if we want to add other elements, you can just search for it. Then also here, if we want to add text, for example, add a heading, and you have just to add whatever you want. You select also the size, and we have here the color. If you want bold, italic or underline, then we have alignment here and lists. We have spacing as well, and we have also the effects, see more as well. As you can see, also we have here add a subheading and a little bit of body text. Then we have also here recently used font combinations, and also we have here brand if you want to add logos, colors, fonts. Then we have here the option for uploads. You can just upload files on your computer, as you can see. Then we have here also if you want to record yourself, by clicking over record yourself, and you click over allow, and you click again for over allow, and you start recording by clicking over here. And we have a 3, 2, 1, and you get started recording. And if you just done, you click over done, and if you want to save it, you click over here. If you want to exit, you click over here. But firstly I will delete it, then I will click over exit studio. Then we have also here the option of drawing. You can just click over draw, and you will find here a various color. For example, you choose the color that you want. If you don't find your color, you click over here and you select the color that you want. And also here we have a razor, and also we have a settings here if you want to weight, transparency as well. And if we scroll down, we find also here the option of project, and here we have it, as you can see. Then we have applications, and we have QR code. About this option, you can just here click over QR code, and then you put your QR code here, and once someone just scan this QR code, he will just find your corporation or other things that you want to add it. You have just to enter URL and generate a code here. All right, so this is it. So this is how it works with how you can create a temp on Canva t-shirts. And as you can see, it's very easy to do that. You can just get started with canva.com, and you have just to follow the steps that I already mentioned, and it's very easy. So creating t-shirt design with Canva is a straightforward and enjoyable process that empowers you to express your unique style. With its user-friendly interface and vast array of tools, you can easily customize designs to make them truly your own. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.